Oh. Ah. Hey everybody, how are you doing? Wasn't that fun to watch? It was fun to do. I haven't done those dance moves in forever. My dad used to get me right when I came home from school. He would be like enrolled in one of these like dance ballroom classes and stuff like that. And he had to have somebody to practice on or with, and I was always the one that came through the door, and he was just like, can I try this move? Can you help me out? It's just like, so that's where it may not have looked like that right there because it's been like 25 years to 30 years since I've done any of that, but I really enjoyed it. I really, it brought back a lot of memories for me and my dad and all that. So, but I wanted my first video, or this video, I wanted to name it, Leave the Past in the Past, or How We Get Stuck in Our Weight Loss Journey. And I wanted to go into that because it's like I found myself questioning my journey. I was like, I'm doing all this and, and all that. I'm just looking at the crazy birds outside. I'm sorry. Saying I wish I could go back to the past and look the way I looked when I was younger in my 30s and stuff like that. And, I mean, I really was rocking the bod back in my 30s. In my later 20s, yeah, it was good. I mean, you know how that feeling when you go into your room and you can get any kind of outfit and rock it? That was me. Now I just kind of walk in my room. and just stand there and wonder which sweatpants I can wear today, or, wear the same ones I wore 2 days ago or whatever. But, and the same shirt that I wore 2 days ago, and hopefully no one notices that I wore that shirt. I mean, have you been there? Have you been there? I'm there. So it's like you only have like 3 or 4, maybe 5 outfits that you could really rock or sort of rock. You feel like, these sweatpants look okay on me. You know what I mean? I'm rocking it with the tennis shoes. No. I don't want to be that. So I just found myself questioning and living in the past. And I know if I live in the past, I won't be able to see what the future holds. And also, I need to make peace with that person. And it's not exactly like I was holding anything against her back then or anything, but it's just like I became more frustrated as my journey went now that it's going. Not right now, but like before when I was stuck, I was getting more frustrated and kind of holding, what's wrong with me? You know what I mean? Why can't I look like the past? You know what I mean? Of what I used to look like and everything. But that picture back there, that was like six years ago or so, 7 years ago when I went to Florida. And as you can tell, I'm super happy back there. And it was my first time back at the ocean after like 25 years. I haven't seen it. Haven't been able to go on a vacation or anything. So I took my son, and he took that picture, and I was just like, yes. Yes. And I got to see my friend Barrett, which was great, and her husband Kevin. I was just like, they took us out boating. It was just the greatest time. Hi, Barrett. No. Okay, so when we get stuck in our journey, it's like it's really hard to get out of that, being stuck in the past type thing. And it just brings me to hitting rock bottom. Now, when I hit rock bottom, I think seriously, I've hit it so many times that, you say you hit rock bottom, but you've never really hit rock bottom until you finally make the decision that you're going to change your situation. And it brings me to just working with the homeless. I just want to bring them up because, they hit rock bottom every single day, and they have to find a way how to make a decision on how they're going to get out of their situation. And especially when it's this cold out. I showed the clip earlier on purpose because I wanted to give you an idea of how cold and frozen our ground is. So you can just imagine how cold, how 16 degrees it is right now. And if you're out in it and you're trying to find a place to stay for the night or even eat, these people go days without eating. The ones that I have met, I mean, there were some sad situations that we helped them. And I was so just humbled by that. It was just such a humbling experience. So I went ahead and I'm working this weekend again with them and trying to see if there's anybody out there, when they have that circumstance, when they wake up every day, they have to make a decision. It's a lot like our decisions, we're at rock bottom and we have to make a decision. We're going to make good decisions today with our eating and with our decision making. Are we going to exercise today? Are we going to make it a great day? What are we going to do today? I mean, are we going to be at the crossroads? And I know this is getting like somewhat deep and maybe silly to someone, but it's true. It's like, are we going to go down the road that's scary? Are we going to go down the road that's easy and will get us nowhere? Well, which road are we going to take today? And it's those little teeny weeny steps that are going to get us to where we need to be. And and where I need to be on my journey as well. It's those teeny weeny little baby steps that are going to get us to where we need to be. Start out small. Commitment is the strength. And I love that saying, and I know I punch out sayings all the time. Starting out slow and a manageable. Slow. You know what I mean? Don't think you have to go into this all hog wild and get results right away and then get frustrated and quit. That is what most people do, and I've done it. I have done it. I've done it. I've done it. And my main thing is to get healthy, feel good, and get healthy. And if everything else comes in there with it and get in shape and feel good about your body and fit in those jeans that have been hanging in my bedroom. I have some jeans in my bedroom that I hung up on my closet that are a size 14 that I have set for a weight loss goal a long time ago. And I've never gotten there. So it's going to be those little steps that help me get into those jeans. And it just may seem like just a pair of jeans, but if you have something that you need to like set out to remind you of your weight loss journey, because when you wake up in the morning, you're going, okay, I'm getting my food ready. I got my food prep ready. You know, that's my little thing. And then, you know, then you go to work and then you kind of forget about your little food prep like I did a lot of times. And then you get throughout the day and it's 5 o'clock and you've already made bad decisions and you're coming home to make another bad decision. So it's like, you know what I mean? It's just those little goals that you set around the house and my little sticky notes, the silly sticky notes that I have up at work that people look at and they're like, what is that for? But it's just one word or two words that only I know what they mean. So if that's what it takes for you to get to your goal or goals, do those sticky notes. Do something in your car. I got a couple in my car right now that says strong will, I will get through this day, just make great decisions. There's a couple of other ones that says lion on it. Which those of you that know what lion means, that's another video. So let's just say I'm a lion. I wake up on the go, ready to go every day since I made a decision to do this. So this is my video for this week. I'll be working at the shelter all weekend and even or on the holiday, even President's Day. So I won't have time to do another video, but I just want to get this one in there and show you guys what I'm up to. And I hope you subscribe, like, and share the video. And I will see you guys next time. See you later. Emma, what you doing? What you doing? Huh?